How to set up a Gold IRA without losing 401k value. Setting up a Gold IRA can be a wise move for those seeking to protect retirement wealth from inflation and market swings. Yet, many hesitate because they fear losing part of their 401k value during the process. By following the right steps, you can ensure a smooth transition and safeguard your savings. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Key steps to preserve value. 1. Choose the right rollover method. The safest path is a direct rollover. Here, funds move from your 401k straight into the Gold IRA custodian's care, with no tax withholding or penalties. Avoid indirect rollovers, since they involve handling the funds yourself and can trigger costly mistakes if not redeposited within 60 days. 2. Select a qualified custodian. A Gold IRA requires a specialized custodian approved by the IRS. Verify their track record, fee structure, and storage options. Your metals must be held in secure, insured depositories to maintain compliance and value protection. 3. Follow IRS rules on metals. Only certain forms of gold qualify for a Gold IRA. Coins such as American Gold Eagles or Canadian Maple Leafs, and bars of 99.5% purity or higher, are permitted. Collectibles and jewelry are not. Staying within IRS guidelines keeps your retirement account in good standing. 4. Allocate wisely. Experts suggest dedicating 5% to 20% of your retirement portfolio to gold. This range provides a hedge against volatility without overexposing your savings. Adding silver or platinum alongside gold can also strengthen diversification. 5. Time your transfer thoughtfully. While it's difficult to predict markets, avoid unnecessary liquidation during market downturns. A well-timed shift helps you preserve the full value of your 401k while enhancing long-term stability. Learning how to set up a Gold IRA without losing 401k value is about strategy, not speed. By opting for a direct rollover, choosing a trusted custodian, following IRS rules, and diversifying with care, you can safeguard your retirement funds while adding the protection of precious metals. Done properly, a Gold IRA serves as both a shield against inflation and a foundation for long-term financial resilience. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.